Right, welcome back. Here we have the economic news calendar for the week of high and medium impact news drivers, Tuesday through to Friday. Starting with the dollar index weekly chart. Over the weekend, we spoke on watching this level down here, this previous week's low, old weekly low. Right now, I'm watching price inside of this up close candle. If we drop down to the hourly, we can see we have relative equal lows created. So from going into Wednesday, I'll be monitoring what it does inside of this green up close candle. I'd like to see it act as resistance and then draw down towards that old weekly low, and on the way there we have these near-term hourly lows. With GU, over the weekend we mentioned these old weekly highs that are clean. Right now on the daily time frame, prices inside of this BISI gap, which was created after Monday's trading range closed. I also mentioned that this up close candle is now a daily breaker. So on the hourly time frame, we have relative equal highs created, and we're currently inside of a daily BISI. So going into Wednesday, I'll be monitoring what price does during that FOMC minutes day to see if this acts as support for price, and then draw higher towards the higher time frame premium array that I mentioned over the weekend. With Euro USD, we mentioned this high and also the midpoint of this wick that I'm watching for. So it'll be the red line there. On a daily time frame, I'll be monitoring this down close candle. I mentioned this one, this was way last week. We have that down close candle, which is where basically the move started, and I'll be monitoring and seeing what price does inside this one. On the hourly, you can see relative equal highs. These are clean highs here, but if you grab that one there as well, that one's lower. So these are relative equal highs. So Wednesday, same as DXY GU, be monitoring what it does inside of that daily level. I'd like to see it act as support, and then if we can get that support going, I'll be watching for that higher time frame level to be drawn towards. And then on the near term, the hourly highs that it created intra-week